So
hello, welcome to Poppy's Creations. It's Jan and Sharon's time.
Hello.
Right, we're on more decorations again. And also we're going to be answering some questions from the best ever dinner party icebreakers. Bought this in a charity shop. So Sharon may be revealing more than she wants to.
At least I'm sober.
Yeah. Yeah. I've got a cold, folks. We've got 2 decorations we want to have a go at. A lot of it involving paper folding. So just hoping now that we can cut the paper to the right size. And I think again, like the last reel, wasn't it? It's they didn't have the size of paper to use, did they? Right, Santé.
Santé.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Joyeux Noël.
Joyeux Noël. Feliz Navidad. And Happy Christmas. Ooh.
You like that?
Immediately I'm tasting coffee ice cream. Isn't it? It's Kahlua apparently.
Or,
Okay.
Tia Maria is the other one.
Oh, is it? I
Same.
can't remember the last time I had Tia Maria.
Yeah, it's coffee liqueur anyway.
Right, can you find...
No, I'm busy.
When you finish the drink, if you could find...
Warming the cockles, hang on.
Yeah, warm the cockles of your heart. Should we do one of these? Because it's a shiny one. And it looked quite square, the paper she was using,
I think she
didn't
squares it off, yeah.
But she keeps then just folding it. Let's have a go at
Okay.
that. So I think it's corner to corner all the way around.
I'm going to wait till she starts again. Right, so
It's
she
probably
does...
that as well. It's, no, I don't know.
No, she does...
One that way.
I don't know if that's
It's the
just
top
a
of the reel. It's
square.
sped up, isn't it?
Yes. She ends up with a square.
You can't... No, this paper's square anyway, so it's all right. And then, yeah, so she trims it down to size then, doesn't she?
So we
now
could
you've got
just
to go
start with a square like this.
on that.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
I don't have to square anything off.
I don't think so. And then you've got to do...
I'm waiting for some. Right. Okay, so I'm that stage. Oh no, but she's got others because...
Yeah, it's got to work out how she brings that in.
She definitely does this as well.
So does she bring... Oh, it's like that, isn't it? I think.
No, I think there's 2 oblongs and 2 triangles.
Can you tell we've not tried this before?
That's it, 2 oblongs. She's definitely got something that resembles that.
Yeah. Yeah, like that. Right.
Oh, we both arrived at the same...
We both come to the same creases at least.
Yes.
Right, okay, so
And then-
up there. Oh, slow down, woman.
True.
Oh, we haven't got any scissors, by the way, if we do need them. We do need them, don't we? Need 2 lots. I don't think I've got any scissors in.
Hang on.
No, I didn't.
One of many trips up the stairs.
Well, at least you're getting some exercise. I haven't had any
Yes.
since last week. This is quite festive paper, isn't it? It's got a shine in it.
Right, and her scissors.
Right, okay.
I might be okay over there. Your tray.
She definitely makes it look easy. Ah,
What did you do?
I don't know, it just happened. And then you sort of bring that point to that crease. Like that.
I've done this.
Oh, did it just now. Oh, that,
No
see,
idea.
it happened too easy.
No
That's
idea.
why I didn't register it. Right, so that.
Okay, she's going in again. Hang on.
Okay, right. And a triangle.
Is it like this? Does she do all 4
Oh,
points?
maybe she does do it in a square. Oh, she could slow these reels down. now that my video's finished, we can turn it off.
We've got this.
Right, so we've got the square. Yeah,
We've got all those lines.
So we're there. Right, that's it.
4
so
points
that,
to the top.
yes. So you've got to bring that to there. And that to there somehow. Which does make it look very easy.
It does make it look very easy. Oh, hang on.
See, I've got it.
I've
got one side
have
just
I got
now.
It? Is that it?
Yes. How did you do that?
I
You don't know,
know.
do you? No, exactly. This is what.
Hang on. Look, just bring these 2 in,
That's it.
and then
Yeah.
those 2 in.
And then those, but it's getting that.
Get your creases.
Maybe again, maybe
Yeah,
this
do
time,
your
maybe we've
creases.
got the wrong sort of paper.
No, I think you need to emphasise your creases.
Yeah.
So I've now got 4 thingies. Right, I'm at this stage. Oh, how did she? Oh, she does something else now. Oh, bugger.
That's it. Made it more difficult than it needed to be. Then it just seemed to fall into place. Then
Yes.
it is getting your creases
Yes,
in the right
yes.
place. Then okay. So then this fans out, doesn't it? Like that. You can get them down to the bottom.
I don't know where I'm fanning out from. Where am I fanning? I'm fanning.
Yeah.
How did you do that?
So I'm going to be thinking now. So then you just fan that bit out
Oh, I see.
and then flatten that.
Right.
Mm.
Okay, like an ice cream cone type.
Yeah,
thing.
and then the next crease round.
You do have to work on your creases, don't you?
Renee, if you're watching, we're making a Christmas tree. So now up to now, you've been struggling to make out what we're making, but hopefully that will help.
Yeah,
you.
perhaps we should tell people in advance.
Yes.
Or just Renault.
Well, sometimes it's a surprise, isn't it?
Am I fanning all the bits?
No, I've got myself lost now. So it's that bit. No, don't come unfolded as I'll get lost. It's one of those things that all of a sudden it just
Yeah.
falls into
Clicks,
place.
doesn't it? Is this right? Or have I just made a lot of ice cream?
I don't
cones
know.
necessarily.
I don't know.
It does look tree-like, I must admit.
This is where she cut the bottom off, isn't it?
But I don't know if I've done enough folds.
And that must go. I think that's it. So now we've got to cut that bottom off. Oh. Here we go. Look at that. Right. Does she do any
Okay.
gluing at any point? I don't think she does at any point. There's lots of points.
No, I don't think she does. I think it's all folding.
Again, this is like the others. You can do it whatever
I should have
size paper you want, whatever size tree you
I should have counted. Oh,
Right.
there we are.
Right, so now we've got to cut 1, 2, 3, should be 4 on each side, yeah. And we've got to cut slits.
I think mine's definitely uneven.
We just find 4 each side. Well, I've got 4.
I've got 5 that side and 3 that side.
So what?
Right, okay.
What angle did she cut? Let's go back to get us to the cutting bit now.
We are getting there, Jan.
Yeah.
I'll have a little sip while I wait.
See, that bit she makes look very easy. So we did make hard work of that bit. Again, I'll put the link to this lady, whoever's done this.
Right.
We missed a snip in then.
Yeah,
That was
she
so
just
quick.
snips straight across, fairly short.
So
She only does 2, doesn't she? You know, there's a bit of a fashion for like little villages.
yeah,
They do lots of little houses and stuff.
yeah.
I saw someone the other day had bought a load of like kids' dolls' houses, like old dolls' houses,
yeah.
and then painted them cream and gold,
Oh,
and they just look really
yeah,
good.
they did.
Okay. Snip,
Oh, well,
snip.
That does look fairly strong.
Right, hang on. What's
Ah,
this bit?
right.
So
So-
we're folding upwards now, are we?
Is it like that? Or is it just like that? Oh!
I'm trying to get my, because I've got fat fingers.
Right, snip. The next
Right.
snip.
Snip,
Well,
snip.
she does only do 2 on that one because it's probably 'cause it's small.
She's folding downwards.
Is it downwards?
Yeah.
So that, like that. And
How have you done it?
that. 'Cause I've done more slits, that's the problem.
Oh, right.
Right. I don't think this isn't right. I've also made my own up, I think. It's a tree, but it's not how she's done it. I'm definitely wrong. No, it's not folded right. So I mean, I've got no... Yeah, at least you've got sort of points there, but we're definitely not like what she's done.
Some of them I think I've got right, other ones I haven't.
I mean, it still stands like a tree, but it's not right. Right, okay, we'll have a go in a minute. Let's have a couple of questions while we're waiting.
Yes.
Looks like a tree, doesn't it? We'll have another go in a minute. What was your worst ever date?
It's a family programme, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got to keep it clean, Sean. Keep it clean.
Oh, what's for date? I've never had a standy up one.
No?
No.
Right.
Stood up.
Oh, like that?
Yes.
Well, you were talking about keeping it clean, but then I
Yes.
thought you'd swayed back then.
No. I suppose there was one quite recently, like not when I was a teenager or anything.
In your mature years?
In my mature years, where the guy took me out for a meal, but then was really angry because the beer was... This is not very interesting or funny. He looked on the menu and it said this beer was... So it was £8 or something. So he said, I'll have one of those. And then the beer came, had the beer. When he looked at the bill, it said £12, not £8.
Oh.
And he questioned it when the guy said, well, the £8 one is a small one and you had a large one. So then we had this stand-up row. I didn't even know this guy this well. I think it was the second or third day. While he argued over this £4 difference between the beers.
Yeah.
And he was like, that's it, I'm never coming here again, and all that business. That was a bit embarrassing. And I'm thinking, it's £4.